Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the screen timeout option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes applied because this option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to just tap on the option you'd like to set, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can also see that it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.